Let us solve this question where we ask minimum distance of x comma y from origin. So firstly we will see this as sine square plus cos square form. Then here sine theta is a by x and cos theta is b by y. So value of x is a cosec theta and y is b sec theta. From here onwards, as we know value of a and b, we will be finding distance from origin, and you know distance is root of x square plus y square, which can be written as the root of putting these values here a square cosec square, and you can write cosec square as 1 plus cot square and plus b square. You know sec square minus tan square is 1, so this is 1 plus tan square theta. And after this you have a square plus b square plus a cot theta whole square plus b tan theta whole square. Now just add and subtract 2ab to it. So plus 2ab minus 2ab. Then I will write this as minus 2ab and this as plus 2ab. You can write it anyways. So this one will be a minus b square plus a cot theta plus b tan theta whole square, and there was a root on both sides. So we have here this a cot theta plus b tan theta value. From AMGM you can write a cot theta plus b tan theta divided by 2, that is AM greater than equal to GM, that is AB into cot and tan theta product would be 1, so it is just AB raised to half. And here we can clearly see that this a cot theta plus b tan theta is greater than equal to a cot plus b tan is simply greater than equal to 2 times root AB, and they gave us here square, so basically it is 4AB. And you know that a minus b whole square plus 4ab would give me a plus b whole square, and you know that root of a plus b square is mod of a plus b. Never forget this modulus sign. So this is our answer. In case you got here plus 2ab and here minus 2ab, in that case you would have here a plus b whole square plus a cot theta minus b tan theta whole square, and the a cot theta minus b tan theta would be 0 because there exists such theta such that a cot theta equal to b tan theta. So anyways our answer would come mod a plus b.